Waiting on our boat to be put in.
Alright, it's early morning. Family's asleep. I'm getting ready to go red snapper fishing with my friend Brett. So hopefully we'll catch a lot of meat today and have a good time out on the Mother Ocean. Sleepyhead. I'm gonna put on a little sunscreen here and grab my coffee, pick up some ice on the way, and meet him at the marina. Just getting to the port now. It's red snapper season for only 2 weekends. So everybody tries to get out and catch them during the short season. There's a nice Canaveral sign. Big old cruise ship up there. Like a tourist center at the entrance of the port. We were down here for dinner last night at Gator's Dockside Grill right there. Delicious. Our good friends Lonnie and Delina were performing. Lonnie and Delinda Band. There's a Blue Points Marina where I'm going to meet Brett. Keeps his boat, they keep it in dry storage up in this big warehouse marina. Then he calls them ahead of time and they have it in the water ready for him when it's time to go fishing. There's the marina store right there. There's Mother Ocean. Let's see, maybe I'll park over here. Alright, I'm at the marina waiting for Brett. Ton of boats heading out here. Sun hadn't quite risen yet. Here comes the sun, I see. They're putting in a boat now for people. We're waiting on our boat to be put in.
Yeah,
So the sun's coming up.
That's a 37 Freeman. They have a 42 Freeman here. I have 2 of them. Beautiful.
Beautiful morning. Cape Canaveral. We got the boat in the water now, getting it all rigged up. Setting up the rods and loading it up. You can see all the carcasses from the red snapper that were caught the day before. You're supposed to poke the eyes out so they'll sink after you clean them. But obviously some people don't do it, and the carcasses float up. So they limit the season, I think, to only 5 or 6 days a year. So everybody goes and catches thousands of them. And then they're safe the rest of the year. So evidently the management system is working. Seems to be plenty of fish. All right, heading out now. Port Canaveral. I'm looking sleepy still. It's good to get on the water. Very good to be out on the water.
Somebody missed an island. Let's see sort of here.
Dylan's got a first fish on, one strike. One hook up.
I see fish. It's the right kind. Keep going.
Red snapper.
Keep going. Don't pull his head out of the water though, okay?
You can see the glow of the fish as it comes up.
Okay,
There he
close.
is.
Pick the rod up. Oh, that's a nice one, dude.
Sweet.
Just pick the rod up. No, not out of the water.
All right, fish tacos on the boat.
Yeah.
Nice work, Dylan. Ice is broken. Oh yeah. Woo. Captain Brett and his first mate Dylan.
Alright, I want you in that corner with the sun.
And favorite son. Wow, what is that, like a 20-pounder you think?
Maybe 15.
15?
Come on, dude, give me a side of the fish. There you go. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay.
All right, John's on a fish now.
When you do them up, keep his head in the water.
Oh, here it comes. Wow, it's a beauty.
Okay, whoa, 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 whoa.
Nice gaff, Captain. Oi! Yeah, pretty fish. Woo, nice work, John. Big red snapper. All right, I finally got my red snapper. I had the curse all day. Everybody else caught them but me. And finally got one in the boat. So
There you go. Lift it up.
stoked. Woo. That's really good eating, and thank you to Captain Brett for bringing us out here today. Such a blessing. So we got one more to go, then we have our limit. So we're gonna keep fishing. Aloha. Pressure's off. I got my red snapper in the boat. Only allow one per person. So you can see it's pretty tight quarters here. Everybody fishing the same spot. Someone up in front of us has a fish on. Oh, they lost it. I mean, right in front of us. So we go around till we see signs of fish on the bottom, and then we start drifting. Dylan. See him coming out there. He is. Nice. Yes, everybody fishing the same spot. Getting along pretty good though.
No shooting yet.
No shots fired. All right, had a good day fishing. It's about noon, 12:30 right now. Everybody's got a seat, about to take off. Head back home, about 20 miles offshore. Building another port. Cruise ship. Start taking the fish out. Yep. Ooh, nice. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, that's the big boy. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Nice. Coming back into the marina. You see all the carcasses of the red snapper that have been filleted and released. There was a dolphin coming through here feeding on everything. There's a squid someone left. Flying Dutchman. Appropriately named. Okay. Well, the fishing's done, and now we all pitching together, clean the boat. Happy to do the work for a good day of fishing.
John on the roof? Huh? John on the roof? Yep.
I'm on sham duty. We'll walk around here to the cleaning table where they're cleaning all the fish. We're about to clean ours. Pelicans looking for scraps, along with turtles and dolphins and everything else. Wow, see the nice ones right there. Beautiful, wow. Nice big red snappers. Filleting them up. Wow, nice one there. Fish feeding on the remains of the red snapper. Here's a tarpon. Little tarpon swimming along.
Oh my goodness, this fish is so big.
That's a red snapper.
Wow, Audrey, look at the big one. Can you see that? Wow! And there's a super big head. Oh my. And
So is that noggin.
when you open it, see, open the mouth. Look, it's got teeth. Oh my, very sharp teeth. See the teeth? Ah.
Scary cheat.
Scary teeth. Oh, I'm going to have sweet and sour fish. It's a bitchy. It's a bitchy fish. Oh my, ayaw naglagsit yung tamon. Yummy. Wow, let me see. Ta-da! Yummy delicious. Yum.
Reeling the fish in today. Yay.
Right here. I'm going to cook the other one again.